Alright, so let's discuss time frames. Where it says S5 here, that means second 5 or 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds, we change one of these candlesticks. And the change indicates to us, what direction the price is heading in and the opportunities that may exist to actually put a position or place a position. I'm thinking about placing one right now, but I won't because, well, actually I will. Okay, one position for 30 seconds. Okay, it's only worth $1.10, but anyway, I expect it to make money, so that's why I put it. But this is the 5 second. Each candle represents 5 seconds. This is like being in an airplane and dipping down close to the city where you can see, people on bicycles and people. Yeah, we made $1. It says $2, but that's just because it went down $1. Anyway, we made $1.10. All right. So anyway, um, it's like being in an airplane. You come down from up high, and you can see the people on bicycles and dogs running up and down the street. Okay, but if you go to the 15-second time frame, then each candle represents 15 seconds. It takes longer for the candles to change, and you can get a better panorama of what's going on. You can modify your chart to make it look different, a little bit different perspective. You can zoom in on it, all that. So you can see that this is way up high, and you can see by the inclination of this white line that it's going to continue to go high. So I'll go back to the 5 seconds because we just went backwards, and I want to see how backwards we went. Now that red section right there, I can see it. I can see what's happening with it. I can see that it's correcting itself. It was coming down. Now it wants to go up. It might come down some more. If I go back to the 15 seconds, I can see that it just looks like what it looks like here. And I can make a determination based on experience if it's going to continue to go down some more. I can look at it at the 1 minute time frame. And now it just looks like one candle. But you can see how it was up and now it came down a little bit. Those wicks that are above the candle, those represent the price going up and down. So it went up high, then it came down a little bit, then it started back, and now it's in the process of a new candle that's going to last 1 minute, which is also going up and down. If I look at that on the 5 second time frame, then I see that downward movement that we just saw on the 1 minute time frame, but it just looks different. This helps you visualize. Now we're in an airplane at 10,000 feet. We're seeing a bigger panorama. I can go to the 5 minute time frame, and each candlestick represents 5 minutes. And I can look at different things and have a better idea of where the market has been and where it's heading. Each of these candles represents 5 minutes. And right here it's telling you there's 4 minutes and 4 seconds left on this particular candlestick before it actually changes over to a new candle. That should help you understand a little bit about how we use time frames to make decisions. We're on the 5 second again. To make decisions about how to come in or come out. As you can see, we were over here when we started the video, maybe right here. It was coming down, and I said, well, maybe this is where I entered and made $1. It made $1 right here. And then it's been going down, going down. Now it's going up and going down and going up. And when it comes down, it does not have to go up, but there are indicators that it will probably go up. Like right now, it's indicating that it will probably stop going up. It might go up a little bit, but it's probably going to end up coming down here in just a moment. And there's certain things that indicate that to me. And we'll be learning those things. All right, this video is long enough. We're out of here.